I've been motorcycle riding and racing since I was 4 or 5 years old. I've come off on road, come off on dirt, come off on track. I've had more accidents than most people can dream of. It's a jungle out there, really. One of the biggest crashes that sticks with me was coming around a corner where there had been some dirt washed on the road. I lost a front end, hitting the back of my head, fracture dislocating my elbow. My crash was only at 70 k's an hour, not very fast in terms of speed, versus crashes I've had at Phillip Island where I've lost it doing 130, 140 into a straight, and it's a smooth ride off the track, where on the street it tends to be a lot more aggressive and more injuries occur. So my helmet, my levers now live in my special trash gear collection in my shed. Quite often you don't realise how bad your crash was until you look at your gear afterwards and you go, wow, I've really destroyed this piece of equipment. And they're the really humbling moments, and that's personally why I choose to kit up completely before every ride. And the best advice I can give is slow down, take your time, and don't treat it like a racetrack.